Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to help you fix if you're having an issue with your Yahoo verification code. So first, let's head over to yahoo.com and log into your account. All you have to do is head over to your Yahoo Mail by clicking on this icon. You might want to start checking your spam folder and even your trash folder and check if the verification code is sent on these folders. Another way to fix the problem is by going through your browser's cache. All you have to do is click on the three dot icon, then click on delete browsing data. So from here, all you have to do is delete cached images and files and even cookies and other site data. Just click on delete data. Another way is by reaching out directly to Yahoo's contact support. All you have to do is head over to yahoo.com and log into your account. Just hover your mouse on your profile icon, then click on help. And from here, you should be able to see a chat bubble found at the bottom right of your screen. All you have to do is click on it. And from here, all you have to do is type in your concern and wait for them to reach out to you and help you resolve with the issue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!